Hello, hope you're doing good. Welcome to my Memberful review and tutorial. Memberful is a platform that allows creators to create content or better yet create a membership website that they can charge a small fee for persons to subscribe to. With Memberful, you can get started for free. All you'll need to do once on memberful.com, you're going to tap on Try for Free in the top right hand corner. From here, you will be able to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, at the moment, this is how your website looks, by the way. Now, to start editing it, you could tap on Edit Page in the top left-hand corner. And from here, you can start making changes. So you could change the header section if you want. You can tap on each text box and you could make changes. You could also tap on the settings cog, and from there, if you would like to, for example, add a button or remove a block or upload background image, you can do that. So it is quite easy to customize, and this would be your welcome message. You can edit it if you want. Once you're finished doing that, you'll simply tap on Save in the top left hand corner. After you have saved your changes, you can go back. And by the way, if you would like to add additional pages, at the moment we have 3 pages. If you would like to add an additional page, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner in line with pages, and you could tap on page, and from there you could add a new page. Now that I've shown you how to set up your website, to create an article, all you'll need to do is tap on post from the left hand menu option. After you have tapped on post, as you can see right here, this is how it looks at the moment. Now to create an article, you're going to tap on content. After you have tapped on content, you'll tap on create post in the top right hand corner. And from here, you can create your first article. So you could enter the title right there and you could start typing. Once you're finished creating your article, you're going to tap on publish in the top right hand corner for your post to go live. You can also add your podcast RSS feed to your Memberful website if you want. So you could tap on podcast in the top left hand corner. From here, you could tap on add your first podcast. After you have done that, you can enter your podcast name and the RSS feed right here. And then from there, you will simply tap on create podcast. You can also sell downloads by tapping on downloads. You could tap on create a new download. Then you could enter in the file name, select the file that you would like to offer, add a description right there, and then you can add your plan. And by the way, I'll be showing you how to edit the different plans that you can set up. So you could select a plan, then tap on create download. You can also use Memberful for email marketing. So you could select email marketing right here, and you'll be able to integrate it with any one of these platforms. Now to create your plan, all you'll need to do is tap right where you see the home icon in the top left hand corner. You're going to tap on monetize and grow. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to this page, and I want you to pay attention to the left hand menu option. You're going to select all plans. After selecting all plans, you can see that we currently have 3 plans, and you can tap on any one of the plans, or you can choose to create a new one. Let's say we would like to change the price for the monthly plan. You could select monthly, then you can change the plan name. You can also change the price right there. After you have changed the price, you can scroll down, and from here you can see the frequency. After you have done that, you can edit any other feature you want when it comes onto your plan. So you can scroll down. Once it is to your liking, you can see the example right here. You're going to tap on save changes. Once the changes have been saved, you can go back. So we'll tap on all plans once more, and you could go into quarterly, then you can go into yearly, and you can continue editing the plans that are there at the moment. You can also tap on upgrades and downgrades, and from here you could set these up if you want. Once you're finished, if you'd like to offer coupons or referrals, you can tap on coupons from the top left hand corner, and from there you will be able to create a new coupon. You can also tap on referrals, and you could set up a referral plan right here. Once you're finished, the next thing I want you to do is you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap on website once more. Once you have tapped on website, I want you to tap on view site in the top right hand corner, and you'll be able to see how your website looks at the moment. So this is the home page. This will be the post page right here, and you can see the member FAQ section right there. So this is where persons will be able to ask questions and so on. Once they are subscribed, they will be redirected to your membership section, on which you'll see exclusive content, the posts that you do and so on, and any other downloads or so on that you would like to offer exclusively. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.